So to get to the jet nozzle that's blocked, you need first of all to take the spoiler on the back off. Now there are 5 nuts you need to undo. The 2 end ones has a cover over it, so you can that's being covered up. Now those 5 need to take off, and also you need to take off the trim at the front. Now if you pull hard on the right and left hand side, the black plastic part, there are 2 lugs on either side that holds it in place. So I now put it on the bench, and this is the nozzle which is blocked. Now I've undone the 2 screws, and so I could put it back in quite easy. I put some string on the end of the pipe, pulled it through. I found that the actual tube itself was filled up with crud, so I cleaned it out. The nozzle was also fairly blocked up as well, so I put that in as well. Now I left it for about 15 minutes, and when I did that I checked to make sure it was all clear, and it was. So I then simply put the nozzle and the pipe back together, pushed it through the hole. I then screwed the nozzles back on, cleaned the top of the car, refitted the spoiler, pushed it into place, it's only those 5 screws that holds it all in place. Refitted the pipes and the power, as you can see, and checked to see if water was coming out, and it was. So the next thing was to put the screws back in. And don't forget to put the 2 covers on either side of the nuts that you put on. And thank you for watching. And if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe.